Step-up versus step-down transformer. Two types of transformers keep our electricity flowing: step-up and step-down. Step-up purpose: increases voltage so power can travel long distances. Step-down purpose: decreases voltage so it's safe for homes and devices. Step-up coil design: more turns in the secondary coil than in the primary. Step-down coil design: more turns in the primary coil than in the secondary. Step-up effect: high voltage, low current, less heat and energy loss. Step-down effect: low voltage, higher current, perfect for everyday use. Voltage examples: step-up, 11 kV 220 kV, step-down, 220 V 12 V. Subscribe for more clear and easy electrical engineering videos.